Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Bluehost AI website builder. First, you will need a Bluehost hosting plan that includes access to the AI builder. Once you have your plan, log in to your Bluehost dashboard. From there, you will find the option to start building your WordPress website using the AI site builder. This tool is designed to make website creation straightforward and efficient for everyone. The magic begins with a few simple prompts. The AI will ask you questions about your business type, niche, and design preferences. Based on your answers, the AI engine will then generate 3 distinct website design variations for you. These options come complete with customizable fonts, color schemes, images, and even initial content. You can preview each version and select the one that best fits your vision. After the AI generates your initial site, you have full control to customize it. You can easily tweak layouts, change fonts, and adjust color schemes using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Replace default images with your own photos and edit any text to truly personalize your content. Plus, since it is built on WordPress, you can integrate thousands of plugins to add advanced features like e-commerce or SEO tools. Once you are happy with your design, simply save and continue. This action integrates your preferences into your new WordPress theme. You can easily toggle your site between an under construction status and making it live for the world to see. Your Bluehost dashboard serves as your central hub, allowing you to manage all aspects of your website, from content updates to security settings, with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.